हेलो एवरीवन, हाउ आर यू। ये है हमारे कलर। ब्लैक कलर, येलो कलर, ब्राउन कलर, रेड कलर, ग्रीन कलर, गोल्डन कलर। आज हम सीखेंगे ABCDE 1 2 3 4 5 alphabets and numbers. A for apple. B for books. B for books. C for cat. D for dog. D for dog. E for elephant. One. Two. Three. Four. Five. F for fish. G for giraffe. H for hen. I for ice cream. J for joker. Six. Seven. Seven means add. Eight means add. Nine means no. 10 means thus. A B C D E 1 2 3 4 5 F G H I J 6 7 8 9 10.